Hi friends, today I'm going to make chicken legs roasted in an air fryer. This is my another cooking. So let's see. I'm going to slit a cut on these leg pieces and put some masalas. I have cut this chicken so that I can put the masala and that masala can go inside here. This kind of cuts I made it. I have not removed the skin because this skin will help you to cook better way, so that there is a fat in this skin, and that is which fat, once the fat get melt, it will help to reach the masalas inside the chicken and can get tender. I have marinated with red chili, little bit black pepper, onion, and little bit this lemon juice, so it should not be so spicy, so not with too much masala. Also I just made it a little spicy with the red chili powder. To rest it for almost 1 hour, or 1 hour, also 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours, it's up to you, but minimum it's better to keep 1 hour so that it can get marinated and can get tender and juicy, so that you can eat nicely. Enjoy. Our chicken is ready and I'm going to put it in a air fryer. And adding some potatoes also. I'm going to put it on an air fryer, and now wait for 15 minutes. Now after that we can able to eat. Now it's done. I'm going to take it out. Wow, it's amazing. See, oh wow, see the chicken pieces are cooked so nicely. Wow, amazing. Must be yummy. Wow. This potatoes also cooked nicely, and see the color of the chicken. Wow. Hey, enjoy friends. You also try at home.